Okay, Olympus ENF GP, Olympus ENF P3, P4, P2. Here at the Doctor's Toy Store, we service and sell them. The number one thing you always want to make sure is the bending rubber. This is the first thing that goes, the first thing that happens. It dry rots along here. Always look for small cracks. As soon as you see cracks, you want to immediately send them in for repair, because if you don't fix that, you get water invasion, and then you can get a stain at the end or water invasion along here, and that would be a total disaster. So make sure you get your scope serviced. We do all the scopes. We've got Pentax, Machida, all the different brands, German Optics, Optimum. So we buy, sell, and trade. And we also have your ENT equipment, surgical, Bovies, carts, autoclaves. Call the Doctor's Toy Store, 877 DRS Toys, and let's get your scopes taken care of before they become a real problem. Call today. Please subscribe to our channel. Real news for real doctors.